I've got this custom built PC. It's a upgrade from my laptop that keeps overheating. I would do the other view, but it's a bit late kind of thing now. You're seeing, don't know if you can see in there. But anyway, the operating system hard drive is a bit noisy. So if you see on my Instagram, you can see that I have went and bought that to help things move more efficiently. I figured this would be pretty old because it's noisy and it's only 160 gigabytes there. Fair enough, it's 72,000 RPM. Where does it say that? Where's it gone? Maybe down here somewhere. Really, it's on there somewhere. Where's it gone? It is on there. Where the fuck's that gone? But anyway, as you can see, I got the 250 gig because there's already another hard drive in there. That's a 500 gig, which I'm going to update as well eventually. But I've now seen that this was where the hard drive was housed. But fucking hell, that is so small. Well, so thin. I mean, what can I compare it to? I've got an iPod here. That's a iPod, and it's thinner than the iPod. Way thinner. Fair enough, it's got the case on there. I didn't hit that, by the way. So. But this is actually 250 gig, like I said. And just the comparison. This is bigger than this, and this is an absolute monster. I don't know if it's because it's so old, but I guess that's just the standard size for hard drives now. But look at that. That is ridiculous. How far technology has come from this to this. But I guess that's why these are so expensive. This was £100. You can buy a terabyte hard drive, standard one, for around 60. Obviously cheaper than this, which is a lot smaller in capacity. And that, just the feel of that, that's pretty heavy. But changing this over, I wasn't going to do a vlog, but that's just blown me away how thin that is. I can't believe that. What else can I compare it to? What else have I got in my drawer? Nothing much, but well, this is my computer anyway. This is the back, obviously, you can't see anything else. So here we are installing a fresh Windows onto my SSD drive that I've just got. So it's getting files ready for installation, wondering how long this will take. Once that number starts moving, 3, 4, it's moving up quite regular. We are on installing Windows. There's no other numbers. Is that just gonna go all the way across there, or will it break up? You are now 47. It's going to be very interesting to see how this changes the life of my custom. I've got a 500 gig drive in there still. I'm thinking of changing that to a terabyte. I was told that you can get more than 2 drives into this, but I don't think I need them, to be honest. There's my 3 RAMs, well, 3 sticks of RAM. They are 4 gigs each. There's still another bay there that you could fill, but you could actually get 32 gigs of RAM into this. There's my 1, 2, 3. 3 fans. Could you stick one there as well? Yeah, you could get 32 gigs of RAM into this. But I think I've seen the price and it's over £200 for that. So We won't be going down that route. Oh, yeah, so the install's taken roughly 3 minutes. Is it gonna work? Getting ready devices, 16%, getting ready. It's my second attempt, fucking had loads of problems. Kept booting up from the bio, going into the menu, once start the operating system. So now we will see. Come on. Come on. We keep doing this. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Let's start with the... yeah, that's correct. I am in the U-fucking-K. Yes. Just a moment, no problem. We haven't had this menu come up yet. Do you want to add a second keyboard layout? No. What does that mean? Let's connect to the network. Yep, that's the one. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh.